A very good afternoon, students. In our last class, we were talking about the water filtration with the help of the gravity filter. Now, we will be talking about the pressure filter. Obviously, the term pressure in the name of the pressure filter is indicating that this is generally a filtration driven by the pressure, and that pressure will be greater than the atmospheric pressure. So, these are the pictures of different types of pressure filters. So water will be contained in a vessel where there will be horizontal and vertical pressure on it. So inside that vessel there will be an inlet through which the water will be coming inside, and then after undergoing that particular treatment with the help of the pressure, the water will be coming out to the outlet. Now here we can see that the construction is there. Obviously the diameter varies from 1.5 to 3 meters, and different types of length and height will be there. Now how they are working? The working model is there. The water mixed with coagulant, so there will be some alums will be added for coagulation, and they will be going through the pressure filter with the help of the inlet, and all the valves will be closed except the raw water and filtered water. And after the particular process, the water will be there within the pressure vessel, and the pressure will be higher than the atmospheric pressure. The water will be coming out from the outlet, and after that subsequent cleaning will be done. And with this process, the rate of filtration is varies between 6,000 to 15,000 liters per hour per square meter of the filter. So the rate of filtration is very high compared to the gravity filter. However, this efficiency is slightly less compared to the rapid sand filter. The cleaning will be done with the help of the backwashing. We do not need to be worried about that. It is a diagram where they have shown the process of backwashing. Now the next type of water treatment is the disinfection. That is the removal of harmful bacteria or harmful infections. In case of the infections, there are actually different types of infections. Different types of impurities are there, different types of infections. They are like the bacteria, the dissolved organic salts, color, odor, taste, and some different minerals which are not intended for the intake for the body, that is the iron and manganese. Now in case of the disinfecting methods, there are different methods. Obviously the very reliable and very easily available method is boiling method, which we can do in our home also. Then the excess lime treatment, there is a removal of the dissolved salt. Then lime will be added, and as a result the pH value will be higher, so the bacteria will be killed. Then iodine bromine treatment is there, using iodine or bromine with the water. So again, with the help of that one, the water will be purified. That means that with the dosage of iodine or bromine, the different types of infection will be gone. Then the silver treatment, obviously it is a very useful method from the ancient India. We can see that we have heard from our very childhood that the child or the newborn babies, when they can take the food, then the food are generally supplied or generally given to them with the help of the silver spoon. So that is why the silver is one of the very important minerals inside our human body, which can also kill the different types of infections. So the dosage will be different for different types of disinfectant, and for silver it is around 105 to 1 ppm. However, the silver is a costly material, so the usage will be limited. Then ozone treatment is there. Obviously, ozone treatment flow diagram is shown. The air will be there, and with the help of the air, that means oxygen, the ozone will be generated. The ozone gas will be generated, and with the help of the ozone gas, in the contact basin, the water will be treated. So again, the dosage will be 2 to 3 parts per million with the residual ozone of 0.1 ppm. Then there are two types of treatment: potassium permanganate treatment, KMNO4. Obviously, potassium permanganate can be used. This can be used for the different types of fungus also, which can actually affect the human body. People have some kind of skin diseases in the winter season. The skin of their hands or their feet used to peel off. So in those cases, this potassium permanganate treatment is very useful. So obviously you can use it for the disinfection of the water also. However, there will be a change in the color of the water. So we will need to think about twice before using this one. Then another type is ultraviolet ray treatment. Obviously UV ray is available from the sunlight also, but for different kind of water disinfection, we will need to add some UV rays through the process of this kind of arrangement. Here the UV rays will be inserted with the help of some bulbs inside the disinfection chamber, and with the help of that one, the water will be treated. Then another method which is very reliable as well as very popular is your chlorination. With the help of the chlorination, we can easily remove the toxic microorganisms from the water. So this chlorine is applied in terms of the free chlorine gas or the very easily available bleaching powder. So obviously mechanical mechanism of the action has been shown. So in those particular two cases, we have seen that the different kind of main disinfection is HCl, and with the help of that one, we will be easily able to disinfect the water. So with this, the different types of disinfection is over. Obviously, this is it for the today's class, and we'll be talking more about the different types of water treatment in our next few classes. Obviously, in your syllabus, you can see that disinfection is the last thing that is included. Obviously, there are few more things which are need to be discussed, and that I will be discussing in our next class. Thank you.